Hello, everyone. I hope you are well. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to adjust the font size of various elements on your Windows 11 desktop, such as the taskbar, icons, and text. We'll walk you through the process step by step. You'll learn how to increase or decrease the font size, choose a custom font size, and apply your changes across all your apps and programs. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of how to customize your Windows 11 experience to fit your needs. So, let's get started. Click on the Start menu or press the Windows key on your keyboard to open it. Click on the gear icon to open the Settings app, or use the keyboard shortcut Windows key +I. In the Settings app, click on the System category in the left-hand menu. And then click on the Display section. Then click on the Scale under Scale and Layout section. Then click on Text Size under the Related Settings section. Use the slider to adjust the font size to your desired level. As you adjust the font size, you'll see a text size preview of how it will look. Once you've chosen your font size, click on the Apply button to save your changes. Exit from the Setting app. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials and tech tips.